Let's discuss simple living room ideas for contemporary homes. Your living room is more than just a space, it's the heart of your home. It's where your personality meets practicality, and where memories with friends and family take shape. Today, we'll explore ideas that are simple yet impactful. Let's start with multifunctional pieces. Furniture that serves dual purposes, like an ottoman doubling as a coffee table or a sofa that transforms into a bed, is perfect for maximizing utility while keeping your space uncluttered. Always build your layout around a focal point, like a rug or a coffee table, to create harmony. Next, think about decorative accents. Add personal touches, like wall art or family photos. Use bookcases or coffee tables to display a mix of books, candles, and small treasures. These accents infuse your living room with character without overwhelming the space. And don't underestimate the power of texture. Incorporate materials like wood, metal, or velvet to make your living room more inviting. Pillows and throws are budget-friendly ways to add depth and comfort. Choosing the right rug is essential. A well-sized rug anchors your living room and balances the space. Keep 18 to 24 inches of clearance for a spacious feel. For small spaces, storage is your best friend. Opt for wall-mounted shelves, compact furniture, and clever solutions like hidden compartments to keep your space functional and tidy. Mirrors are another trick to brighten your living room. Placed near a window, a mirror reflects natural light, making your space feel larger and more open. Finally, bring life to your living room with indoor plants. Affordable and easy to maintain greenery adds vibrancy and a refreshing touch. Designing a living room doesn't have to be daunting. With these simple ideas, you can create a space that's both functional and beautiful, a true reflection of your style.